you. I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a get ready with me, and I am doing a Q&A while I'm at it. So let's dive right in. So I won't be telling you guys the products I'm using, just so I can focus on the Q&A. So yeah. And I didn't have time to ask you guys on Instagram the Q&A. So I am looking up some on my phone. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. If your life was a book, what would be the title? Trainwreck. Yeah. I think that'd be a great title. I'm like reading through these and some of these suck, so that's great. What is your biggest goal in life? Well, I guess if it has to be like in my life, it's like my entire lifetime, I guess it would be to never get divorced, have a happy family, and love my job. All those three things. I need all those things to happen, and my goal in life will be accomplished. If you could make a time travel machine and meet yourself, and meet your 10-year-old self, what would you say? I definitely would say be yourself, because I think if my 10-year-old self really believed being yourself is okay, then I feel like maybe I would have started something like this sooner and would have been braver to start something like this sooner. So yeah, be yourself. Have fun in life. You're only young once. And don't go to NDSU, just go straight to Rasmussen, because then I would have graduated sooner. RIP. Oh, if today was the last day of your life, how would you live it? I would spend it on the lake with all my friends and family, because I think a day like that is awesome. And we would cook some hot dogs and it'd be wonderful. I can't like read this far away. Am I like, I'm getting old. If you could meet any person you want, who would it be? Ooh. I want to be like super inspirational and be like Anne Frank. But if I'm being 100% honest right now, it would probably have to be maybe Luke Bryan. I think he'd be fun to like hang out with and drink with. Anyone else? Anyone else feel that way? What 3 things would you never do in your life? Okay, so honestly, I've always wanted to skydive and just be that adventurous person, but I don't think I could do it. So I think skydive has to be on that list. I honestly feel like I want to try everything once in my life, so this is a difficult question. Probably cheat. I would never cheat. I'm like, anyone knows me, I'm not that person at all. Oh, I just need one more. Probably fight a bull. Does that count? I mean, I would never do that. I would never get in a ring with a bull. Yeah, that's gonna be my 3rd one. Are you thankful for your life? Yes. Yes, I am. That was a no-brainer. If you could rule the world, what would you change? Well, that's easy. Definitely, I mean, this sounds like weird. I don't even think this would be a thing. But I think recycling should be a rule. Like a law. Anyone else agree with me? Like, it's so easy. You just put it in a different trash can. People who don't recycle piss me off. Like, it's the easiest thing you could do, and it's the easiest thing you can do to save the planet. So why are you not recycling? What is your reason? And, oh, it grinds my gears. So if you're listening to this, please recycle. I think that's the one thing I would change. That's important to me, like, recycle, please. Please recycle. Twitter or Facebook? Twitter. Is that even a question? I like never post on Facebook. And honestly, I never post on Twitter either. But like, I feel like Facebook is more of like the family thing. Twitter is like where us kids can like, you know, say what we want. I don't know. And there's more juicy gossip on Twitter. I don't know. That's my reasoning. Coke or Sprite? Coke. Fountain Coke. I love Sprite. I just love it when like you have a cold, you know, like you're sick. Tea or coffee? Coffee. I'm not a big tea girl. Although recently my boss actually, she bought me a tea from Caribou. Best thing ever. It's like the black peach sparkling tea or whatever. Oh, this is so good. Now I'm craving one. It's really good. If you haven't tried it, you need to right now. Taco or pizza? Pizza. I don't think that was difficult either. I love tacos, but pizza's easier. Country or rock? Rock. I wish I lived in the era where like, you know, like there was Queen, there was Led Zeppelin, like that would have just been the best time to grow up. The world was simpler, music was better. Oh, it just would have been awesome. I'm an old soul. I wish that's when I grew up. Some of these are really like, I shouldn't be saying. I'm not even gonna say the one I just read because that's just, should not be a question asked. My eyebrows are not even. Do you ever try to make your eyebrows even but then you like overdraw it? Well, that's what I'm about to do. Maybe I should just leave them. Let's just leave them. It's fine. Have you ever been drunk? No. Some of these are stupid. Broken up with someone, yes. Some of these I'm not answering. Let's find a different one. Here's a cute one. Why did you start this channel? Great question. I started this channel because I wanted to be more creative in my life. I wanted to do something that no one would expect of me. I'm sure none of you that knew me would have thought I would do something like this. But here I am. I also wanted this to be like a great opportunity for me just to improve on my makeup skills. And just kind of like get the word out that like, hey, this is what I want to do. This is what I'm passionate about in life. Not like what I was gonna do. So that's why I started this channel. I wanted to grow as a person, and I feel like I've done that. And so I'm excited to see what the future has to come with this channel. What are you most excited for about this channel? Growing. I want to grow this thing like huge. I want it to be mega. So if y'all could, you know, help me out there, that'd be great. My lips are so chapped. This is like the worst time of the season. Is anyone else's lips just like chapped to beat hell? Because mine are. They're so bad. Like, I don't even put lipstick on anymore. It's only chapstick. Because they're that chapped. It says it's lip fixer. Solutions for stressed skin. Does that mean my lips are stressed? Like, are they okay? Are they stressed out? I didn't even know your lips could get stressed, first of all. There's like no more good question. What? Doesn't that look weird? It's like my eyeballs coming out. Okay, last thing you bought. I bought a dress yesterday for a wedding. So that was the last thing I bought. Your pet peeve. People not recycling. Or cleaning up after themselves. I hate that. Oh. Current mood. I'm pretty chill. Honestly, I'm in a pretty chill mood. I got most of my homework done for this week. I just have to study for a skills check off tomorrow, but you know what? That'll be easy. Lemon squeezy. And I'm going to Zorba's later, so you know what? It's a pretty good day. Pretty good day. Oh my god, there's eyelash on my cheek. Oh, doing mascara, like when you're not gonna put fake lashes on, is so exhausting because you have to make sure it looks good. Like, you can't just whip it on there. Can you hear my mom's shower running? Great. I got mascara everywhere and I don't have a Q-tip. I'm screwed. Let me see if I can find a good last question. Ooh, are you currently happy? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm so happy. School has been going really good lately. I've been excelling. I've just been doing so good. But no, it has been great. Life is really good right now. And yeah, I definitely would say I'm happy. Although, if I could change one thing, it'd be my lips, because they're chapped. And it makes me sad. I think this lip balm has like little beads in it. You know? You know what I'm saying? Like little beads everywhere. I can feel it. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I just wanted to do something very natural today for the day ahead of me. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Where's the off button?